In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact groups in your audience settings. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple, clear way so you can set up groups that help you organize your contacts more effectively. This is especially useful if you want to sort people by interests, preferences, or any category that makes your audience easier to manage later on. To get started, head over to the audience section of your account and then open all contacts. This area gives you access to the people stored in your audience, along with the tools you need to organize them. Once you're there, look for the Manage Contacts drop-down menu. Open that menu, and from the list of options, choose Groups. This will take you to the Groups Management area, where you can create and customize the categories your contacts will be able to fit into. When the page loads, find the blue button labeled Create Groups and click it. That will open the setup process for a new group structure. Next, you'll need to choose how these groups should be displayed. You may see options such as checkboxes or radio buttons. This choice matters because it controls how selections work. For example, checkboxes are useful when you want someone to be able to choose more than one option, while radio buttons are better when only one selection should be allowed. Pick the format that best matches the way you want this category to function. After that, start entering the labels for your group categories. These are the names that define each option, so make them clear and easy to understand. As you add each label, you'll also assign the related value settings or tracking values tied to those options. This helps the system identify and store each selection properly behind the scenes, even if the visible label is more user-friendly. Take a moment here to review everything before saving. Make sure the category names are spelled correctly, the option values match what you want to track, and the display type fits your intended use. A little extra care at this stage can save time later if you're using these groups for segmentation or contact organization. Once everything looks good, click Save to finish creating your groups. That's it. Your contact group setup is now complete, and you can start using it to keep your audience organized in a more structured and meaningful way.